Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a quick fix for a common Windows headache. The dreaded Windows could not find a driver for your network adapter issue. Ready? Let's roll! Right-click on the Windows Start button. Easy, right? Head over to Settings. It's the gear icon. Can't miss it. Click on Update and Security. We're diving deep, but it's worth it. Select Troubleshoot. We're on the right track. Now click on Additional Troubleshooters. Getting closer. Look for internet connections. Bingo. Hit Run Troubleshooter. Let the magic happen. Once it's done, click on Close. You're all set. If it doesn't work, here is the next solution. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Easy, right? Open up the Device Manager. Just type Device Manager in the search bar and click on it. Double-click on Network Adapters. To unveil your network drivers, right-click on your network driver. Give it a little right-click love. Choose Update Driver from the menu. We're on the right track. Opt for Search automatically for driver software. Click Close and you're done. If it doesn't work, here is the next solution. Your network adapter should be good to go. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Easy, right? Open up the Device Manager. It's like the control center for your hardware. Double-click on Network Adapters. Find your network driver in the list. Right-click on that network driver. Give it a firm but friendly tap. Click on Uninstall Device. It's like sending it on a little vacation. Confirm the uninstall by clicking Uninstall, just to make sure it's packing its bags. Now, right-click on the Windows Start button again. Hit Restart. Give your PC a moment to stretch its virtual legs. If it doesn't work, here is the next solution. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Easy, right? Open up your settings. Just a couple of clicks away. Navigate to Network and Internet. It's where the magic happens. Click on Network Reset. Don't worry. We're on the right track. Hit that Reset Now button. Confirm with a confident yes. We're committed to fixing this. Right-click on the Windows Start button again, but this time choose Restart your PC. Let's make sure everything takes effect. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like, please.